to you guys. The most important thing to do is always to maintain and clean your parts of everything that's on your RC. I mean, down to the very last bearing, gears, everything. I mean, because even if you gotta switch out gears, make sure you have some new ones. Because if you don't switch gears out and a gear is dragging or a bearing is dragging, like this one here I just figured out right here, that's in the picture, you don't change that out, it causes a lot of strain on your battery and it drags the motor out. So just make sure you guys clean it up. I mean, take everything down, break it down. It'll last longer if you do it. Take the time and do it, and maintain what you have. You know, this is KRBRC cleaning methods.